Hello and welcome to Smart Insight Traders. My name is Alan and this is the end of day analysis for the Bank Nifty Index on the 27th of May 2024. This is the chart of the Bank Nifty Index on a daily time frame. When we started the day today, we had a breakaway gap on the daily chart and a clear defined draw on liquidity at 47,605 at this swing high. So when we opened with a gap up, our first target was to reach this draw on liquidity. There were a couple of opportunities for us to enter into fresh longs to get here. We can see that on a 5 minutes time frame first. Here we are on a 5 minutes time frame. Our first possible entry was of this 5 minutes fair value gap highlighted here in green. We could have taken an entry here with a stop loss below this swing low and targeted the daily draw on liquidity sitting here at 49,607. The second possible entry was on a 15 minutes time frame. Here we are on the 15 minutes time frame. Our second possible entry was of this 15 minutes fair value gap, again targeting the daily draw on liquidity resting here. Both these trades were excellent risk reward trades and we could have captured somewhere close to 300 points even if we had entered off this 15 minutes fair value gap. Once we arrived at our daily draw on liquidity, I had even alerted this on our WhatsApp community to look for some kind of reversal pattern where we could expect a bit of a retracement before price went on to hit the all-time high. Ideally, to get an entry on the lower side, I was looking for a 15 minutes fair value gap. Though it is not evident here in the index chart, it is important to also watch the options chart, and that is where things got a lot more clearer. I'm going to take you into the 49,800 put option chart. This is the chart. And here you can see clearly that there was a fair value gap between the candle formed at 12:30 and the candle that was formed at 1 p.m. This was again an excellent entry with a very small risk. Here you can see the risk reward ratio. Even with the first target, which was at 547, we had an excellent risk reward of 1:4 with a stop loss of 50 points and a target of more than 200 points. So what's our lookout for the rest of the week? One thing that we can watch out for is this daily fair value gap that is sitting here between today's candle's low and the high of the candle on Thursday, that is the 23rd of May. Price could possibly tap into this fair value gap and continue back towards the all-time high. If this fair value gap fails, our next discount array is this order block that is sitting right here, the daily order block, which should act as a support. I feel that there is a high probability that we might retrace back into this order block. Let's see how things play out over the next couple of days. But we are really interestingly poised. With the results coming out, we should be able to capitalize well on some of these fast moves that we are getting in the index. Hope this helped you. For more such analysis, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description below. Till then, take care and trade smart.